Very well then. I'm going to direct the clerk to record the verdict. At this time then, this does conclude the guilt phase of this trial. Because the defendant has been convicted on counts of first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, the state has filed a notice of intent to seek the death penalty. And
Chad Daybell, a name that has become infamous due to his involvement in one of the most disturbing and high-profile criminal cases in recent memory, has been sentenced to death. The sentence was handed down after a lengthy and complex trial that captivated the nation and revealed the depths of Daybell's sinister actions. Following the verdict, prosecutors in the case shared their reactions, providing insight into the gravity of the sentence and the broader implications for justice and closure for the victims' families.
The above entitled action for our verdict unanimously answer the questions submitted to us as follows. Question number 1. In regards to count 1 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder of Tylee Ryan and grand theft by deception? Guilty. Question number 2. In regards to count 2 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of first-degree murder of Tylee Ryan? Guilty. Question number 3. In regards to count 3 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder of Joshua Jackson Vallow and grand theft by deception? Guilty.
Chad Daybell, along with his wife Lori Vallow Daybell, was implicated in the deaths of Lori's 2 children, Tylee Ryan and JJ Vallow, as well as Chad's previous wife, Tammy Daybell. The case unraveled a web of deceit, manipulation, and extreme beliefs that shocked the public. The children were reported missing in late 2019, leading to a nationwide search and intense media scrutiny. Their remains were tragically discovered on Chad Daybell's property in Idaho in June 2020. The trial against Chad Daybell was a monumental legal undertaking. Prosecutors presented a mountain of evidence, including testimonies from friends, family members, and law enforcement officials, as well as digital evidence and forensic findings. The prosecution painted a chilling picture of Chad as a man driven by apocalyptic beliefs and a desire for power, who conspired with Lori to commit heinous acts.
Question number 4. In regards to count 4 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of first-degree murder of Joshua Jackson Vallow? Guilty. Question number 5. In regards to count 5 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder of Tammy Daybell? Guilty. Question number 6. In regards to count 6 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of first-degree murder of Tammy Daybell? Guilty. Question number 7. In regards to count 7 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of insurance fraud? Guilty. Question number 8. In regards to count 8 of the amended indictment, in regards to count 9 of the amended indictment, is Chad Guy Daybell not guilty or guilty of insurance fraud? Guilty.
Following the announcement of the death penalty sentence, lead prosecutor Rob Wood expressed a mix of solemnity and relief. This has been an incredibly challenging case, not just legally, but emotionally. The crimes committed by Chad Daybell are beyond comprehension, and today's sentence reflects the severity of those crimes. Our thoughts are with the families of Tylee, JJ, and Tammy, who have shown incredible strength throughout this ordeal. Wood highlighted the collaborative efforts that led to the successful prosecution, praising the investigative work of local law enforcement, the FBI, and the contributions of numerous experts and witnesses. This case was a team effort. It required the dedication and hard work of many individuals who were committed to seeking justice. The sentence today is a testament to their unwavering determination. Another prosecutor, Rachel Smith, emphasized the significance of the verdict in providing a sense of closure to the victims' families and the community. While no sentence can ever truly compensate for the loss and suffering experienced by the families, we hope that this verdict brings some measure of peace. The community has been deeply affected by this case, and we believe that justice has been served. The death penalty sentence for Chad Daybell has reignited discussions about capital punishment, particularly in cases involving such egregious crimes. Legal experts and commentators have weighed in on the implications of the sentence, with some arguing that it serves as a powerful deterrent against future crimes of a similar nature, while others debate the ethical considerations of capital punishment. For the families of Tylee Ryan, J.J. Vallow, and Tammy Daybell, the sentencing marks the end of a long and painful journey through the legal system. In a statement, Larry and Kay Woodcock, J.J.'s grandparents, expressed their gratitude to the prosecutors and law enforcement agencies. We are grateful for the tireless efforts of everyone involved in this case. Today's sentence brings a sense of justice for J.J. and Tylee, and while it doesn't bring them back, it ensures that Chad Daybell will never harm another innocent soul. Tammy Daybell's family also released a statement acknowledging the emotional toll of the trial and the sentencing. This has been an incredibly difficult time for our family. We miss Tammy every day, and we are relieved that justice has been served. We want to thank the prosecutors for their dedication and the community for their support. The sentencing of Chad Daybell to death is a landmark moment in a case that has captured the attention of millions. It serves as a reminder of the importance of the justice system in holding individuals accountable for their actions and providing closure to those affected by unimaginable crimes. As the legal process continues with potential appeals and further proceedings, the impact of this case and its resolution will continue to resonate with those who have followed its tragic developments.